Play and learn for kids. Listen, speak, read, and learn. Subscribe us and click on bell icon to get every new videos. Hello kids, today we are going to see on most important one, that is plants. Plants. Plants are living organisms and we can see them everywhere. We can see a huge variety of plants and they are mainly classified based on their height, stem thickness, branches and their lifespan. They are classified as trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. Let's see on trees. Trees are big and tall plants. They have many branches. They live for many years. They have very thick and hard stems. Banyan tree, coconut tree, apple tree, mango tree, neem tree are few examples of trees. Next, we are going to see on herbs. Herbs are small plants. They have soft, green and thin stems. They have lot of health benefits. Their lifespan is only for few months. They are known to increase immunity. They have medicinal properties which are useful for various ailments. Tomato, rice, coriander, mint, wheat are few examples of herbs. Next, we are going to see on shrubs. Shrubs have hard and woody stems. They are medium-sized plants. They are taller than herbs and shorter than a tree. They have many branches, so they are otherwise called bushes. They live for many years. Rose, jasmine, lemon, cotton are few examples. Next, we are going to see on climbers. They are plants with long, weak and very thin green stem. As they can't stand straight, they need an external support to stand. Peas, beans, money plant, grapevine are few examples of climbers. Next, we are going to see on creepers. They mainly creep on the ground. They can neither stand erect nor support all its weight. They have long and thin stems. Watermelon, strawberry, pumpkin are few examples. Let's check on your understanding. Which are tall and strong plants? Answer: trees. Which are smaller than trees but have hard stems? Answer: shrubs. Which will creep on ground? Answer: creepers. Which will grow like bushes? Answer: shrubs. Which have more medicinal properties? Answer: herbs. Which needs support to grow? Answer: climbers. A tiny sapling can feed the world. So kids, plant a sapling if you can. Hope you like our videos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe us to watch more videos.